If you've ever designed, then you've definitely had some problems trying to cut things out of images, especially around people with hair. I know I've always had issues with that, but this sounds like an advertisement, but it's really not. It's just, I know there's a struggle when it comes to cutting things out. Everyone wants to know how to do it perfectly, and there's tons of different ways to do it, but some aren't that efficient. But I think I just found the key. Guys, this website is magical, bro. You know how much time you can save with this website? I'm not sponsored. Actually, a viewer in the Discord suggested this website. So shout out to them because this is pretty cool and I want all you guys to know about this. It's called Remove BG. So it'll be down in the description below. And it's as simple as it just removes your background. So let's try it. So upload image. You can see my previous one. So here we go. We got my person and it's already done, dude. Look at this. So this is the original. And then it removed all that and it looks super good. Like I don't even know how this works or how it does it, but this would save you so much time. And you saw like what happened at the beginning. Like that's what happens a lot of the time. It's not that great trying to do it on my own, but look, the background's so complex and it just cuts everything around it so easy and fast. Definitely check out this website. I'm sure this will help a lot of you guys. I know it's definitely going to help me out. It's going to save me some time as well. And make sure to share it to your friends, whoever, because this is really sick. I don't know why there's a how to use because it's as simple as just dropping an image here. But one time it actually did not work. So keep that in mind. It's not going to work 100% of the time. But for the most part, it's going to work. And you just want to download it. You don't have to sign up or anything. Apparently you do if you want high res, but I don't know. I would just download it. And even if you did want to pay to get full HD, it's like literally 20 cents. Oh, an image? Yeah, never mind. I would just stick to free, guys. Honestly, I'm not trying to spend 20 cents an image. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to let you guys know about this because it's pretty insane to me. Maybe it's not insane to you guys, but it's pretty insane to me. Thanks again to that viewer. And that's all I got for you guys today. So sorry for the short video, but the next video is going to be, let me think about it. What is it going to be? I don't know what it's going to be, but when I get to my desk on Wednesday, I'm going to think about it and I'm going to record it. So look out for that video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.